Hello children, welcome to class 10th mathematics. Chapter name is circles. Let us see, today we are discussing about number of tangents from a point on a circle. So let us see case 1. Point inside the circle. Let us take one circle and the point is inside in anywhere. So let us see how many tangents can be drawn from this point to a circle. So we cannot draw tangent through the point to a circle. So let us see, if you draw a line, this is secant. Again you draw a line through the point P, again it is a secant. So inside the circle we cannot draw a tangent. So we cannot draw a tangent to a circle when point inside the circle. Okay, case first. After that, case second. Here it is, point on the circle. Let us see. Here point inside the circle, here point on the circle. Let us take. This is one circle with center O, and this is point P on the circle. You can take here, here, here on the circle. See, let us draw a circle, a tangent. So through the point P, if you draw a tangent, so only one tangent can be drawn on the circle. So here we can draw a tangent only one on the circle. Only one tangent can be drawn on the circle. So let us case 3. Point outside the circle. Point outside the circle. Let us see. This is the circle with center O. Here center O and point P inside and point P on the circle. Here point P outside the circle. Let us see. So from this point to a circle, let us see. So if you draw, this is not a tangent. So only two tangents. This is P and this is T1 and this is T2. We can draw only two tangent from an external point. You can, P is called external point. External point or outside the circle. Once again, here no tangents can be drawn inside circle. Only one tangent can be drawn on the circle. Only two tangent can be drawn outside the circle. So this is the concept. Let us see the theorem. The statement of theorem: the lengths of tangents drawn from external point to a circle are equal. So let us write the given. First we have to write the given. So what is the, we are given that a circle with center O, a circle with center O. Let us draw a circle with center O and point P, and point P outside the circle. Let us take point P outside the circle, and what is PQ? Let us draw. PQ and PR are two tangents on the circle on the circle from P. So this is the given. Let us draw a tangent PQ and PR. So this is PQ. This is PR. Let us take PQ and PR are the two tangents. So we have to prove that these two tangents are equal. To prove, or the tangent PQ and PR. PQ is equal to PR. We have to prove PQ is equal to PR. Let's construction. Join OP, OQ and OR. Q and OR. Then next step is proof. Let us consider from the above triangle, that is in triangle OQP. OQP and ORP. ORP. Comparing these two triangles, OQP and ORP. So here it is OQ is equal to OR because both are same radii of the same circle. And then second one OP. This OP is common to both side, common side of the both triangle. OP is equal to OP, that is you can take common side, so common side. And also this OQP angle 90 degree is equal to ORP. So both are equal to 90 degree. Angle between radii and tangent is always 90 degree. 90 degree. Therefore these two triangles, what is the triangle OQP, similar or congruent ORP. So okay, let us see. OQP and OR are congruent. Therefore remaining, see, this PQ is equal to PR. What is the reason is CPCT. So hence it is proved. This is very important theorem. They will ask in the examination 3 marks question. Let us see example 1. Prove that in two concentric circles. So let us draw a concentric circles. Circles having the same center but different radii, that is concentric circles. Circle having same radius but different center, that is congruent circles. So this is concentric circles. So the chord of the larger circle, let us larger circle is C1 and smaller circle is C2. Larger circle chord touches the smaller circle. So this larger circle chord, it touches the smaller circle. Let us take a, what's the point we can take? P. This point P is bisects the chord at the 2 point is equally. That is AP is equal to PB. We have to prove AP is equal to P, and then this is the radius of the smaller circle. Let us write the given. Let two concentric circles be C1 be the larger circle and C2 smaller circle with center O, and AB is the chord, and AB be the chord of the larger circle C1, it which touches the smaller circle C2 where at point P. So to prove, we have to prove the chord. What is the chord? Bisect this point P, bisect the chord AP is equal to PB or BP. So we have to prove AB is equal to BP. Let us consider C. Next step is proof. Since AB is a tangent to which circle? Smaller circle. What is our small circle? Is C2. So C2, therefore this OP is perpendicular to AB. OP is perpendicular to AB because tangent and radius is always perpendicular. So radii between tangent is 90 degree. So this is the reason. Now AB is a chord of bigger circle C2 and OP perpendicular to AB as perpendicular from the center bisects the chord. So therefore OP would be bisector of chord AB. It becomes AP is equal to BP. Hence it is proved. Let us see next example second. Here the second problem. Two tangents. Here the two tangents TP and TQ are both equal. So drawn to a circle with center O from external point T. So we have to prove that angle PTQ is equal to 2 of angle OPQ. Let us see. First write the given in the question. So a circle with center O and then two tangents. What are the tangents? TP and TQ. TP and TQ to the circle where P and Q are the point of contact. What is the here? P and Q are point of contact. Once again, TP and TQ are the tangents and P and Q are the point of contact. So we have to prove. To prove, here the given it is PTQ is equal to 2 times of OPQ, angle OPQ. Let us prove. We know that from the theorem, that is tangents are equal from external point, that is TP is equal to TQ from the theorem. What is the theorem is 4.2. From the theorem 4.2, therefore TP is equal to TQ. Therefore the sides are equal. Therefore the angles of the base are equal. So therefore TPQ is equal to TQP. So base angles are equal. That is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangles. Therefore TPQ is equal to TQP. Now here it is PT. This PT is a tangent and OP is radius. Therefore OP is perpendicular to TP or PT, but is radii and tangent is 90 degree. So OP perpendicular to TP. Therefore TPO or OPT, angle OPT is equal to 90 degree. Very important. This is number 1. OPT is 90 degree because angle between the radius and the tangent is 90 degree. So this PQs bisect the given angle TP or the OPT. Therefore OPQ first angle and QPT plus QPT is equal to 90 degree. Then see QPT you can take TPQ also. TPQ or QPT is equal to 90 plus OPQ becomes minus, on the right side is minus OPQ. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 1. So let us check in triangle PTQ. In triangle PTQ, sum of the angles, 3 angles is equal to 90 degree. Let us draw write the triangles of the 3 angles. So PTQ, first one is TPQ. TPQ first one angle plus TQP second one, TQP plus and PTQ third one is PTQ. So sum of these 3 angles is 180 degree, and TPQ and TQP both are equal and given. TPQ is equal to TQP. So you can solve by using, here it is, TPQ plus TPQ plus PTQ is equal to 180 degree. Here it is, TPQ is equal to TQP. Both are equal of the isosceles triangles. So therefore TPQ plus TPQ to TPQ is equal to, plus PTQ is equal to 180 degree. And then what is TPQ? TPQ is given 90 minus OPQ. It is T2 TPQ. TPQ is 90 minus OPQ. 90 minus OPQ plus PTQ is as it is. Take PTQ as it is, and right side is 180 degrees. So because TPQ, here TPQ is 90 minus OPQ. Therefore in the place of TPQ, 90 minus OPQ. 2 into 90 is 180 degree minus 2 into OPQ is 2 OPQ plus PTQ is equal to 180 degree. So plus 180 degree and plus 180 degree on the both side, left and right side, it cancelled, and this minus 2 OPQ goes to right side is plus 2 OPQ, and here the right side, left side is PTQ. So hence it is proved. So hence it is PTQ is equal to 2 OPQ. Let us see the third problem. So a PQ is a chord. Here the PQ is a chord of length 8 centimeter. It can be R can be bisect the chord PR and RQ. Therefore PR is 4 centimeter and RQ is 4 centimeter. The total length is 8 centimeter of a circle. Of radius 5 centimeter. The radius is 5 centimeter. The length at PQ. What is the length? PQ is intersect P and Q intersect at point T. So find the length of TP. So we have to find out the length of TP and TQ as well. So let us take TP can be found by using Pythagoras by using Pythagoras theorem. So let us see. This TP is equal to x, let us consider, and TR, what is T here, from here to here it is, from the TR is y. So then let us see, by using the Pythagoras theorem, what is the triangle? By taking the triangle PRT, what is the triangle PRT? So here the hypotenuse is PT. Square of the hypotenuse is equal to remaining two sides, PR square plus TR square. That is PT is x squared and PR is 4 squared plus TR, what is TR, is y squared. So this is first equation. And then second equation, by taking the triangle POT. In triangle POT, again by using Pythagoras theorem, again it is also TP square is equal to here the same hypotenuse is TP square and the remaining two sides OP square plus OT square. Here TP is x squared is equal to, and then OP is 5 square plus OT is sum of, see, OT is OR plus RO. Here OT is equal to, OT is TR, not sorry, TR is y plus RO is, you can take, what is that, y plus 3, because OT is y plus 3. Here in the small triangle PRO, in triangle PRO, hypotenuse is OP square is equal to OR square plus PR square. OP is 5 squared and OR is 4 square is plus, and then OP square is equal to PR square. Let us write, right? PR square is, as it is, 4 square, and OR we have to find out OR square. So 5 square minus 4 square is equal to OR square, 25 minus 4 square is 16 is equal to OR square. 25 minus 16 is 9 is equal to OR square. OR is equal to square root of 9 is 3. Therefore OR is 3. Let us write OT is y plus 3 whole square. Let us expand this, x squared. So here comparing, this is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, left side is equal to left side. Therefore right side 4 squared plus y squared is equal to 5 squared plus a plus b whole square is a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. Let us see. 4 square is 16 plus y square minus plus y square get cancel. 16 is equal to 25 plus 2 into 3 is 6y plus 9. Again 25 plus 9, what is 34. 16 is equal to 34 plus 6y, and then 6y 16 minus, sorry children, here the hypotenuse is, I am taking mistake. Here it is, let us take here. So here OT is the hypotenuse. Let us take, here it is, in triangle POT, OT squared is equal to OP square plus and TP square. OT, this what is here, it is OT is y plus 3 whole squared is equal to OP is 5 square plus TP is x squared. So this is equation number second. Here subtracting 1 from 2, so we get what is 1, where it is 1 is, so first we have to y plus 3 y square is equal to 5 square plus x square, and then 1 is what is x square is equal to 4 square plus y square, so we will get 25 by making the arrangements like that. So it is y plus 3 whole square is equal to y square plus x square, and x square in the right side, so we have to write this x square is equal to 4 square plus y square. So let us subtract, so plus and get on the cancelled, here it is remaining 5, so 25 is equal to what is you have to expand this is y square plus like that, so you will get 6y minus 7. So then 6y is equal to 25 minus 7 goes to is plus 7, then 6y is equal to 32, then y is equal to 32 divided by what is that, 6, 2 3 is 6, 2 16, that is y, therefore y is equal to 16 divided by 3. Then we have to find out x. What is x? Is x squared is equal to 4 square plus y square. So x square is equal to 4 square is 16 plus y square is 16 divided by 3 whole square. Here it is, x is equal to x square is equal to 16 plus 16 square is 256 and 3 square is 9. By taking the LCM of 1 into 9 is, that is x square is equal to 16 into 9 is 144 plus 256 divided by 9. So then here it is, x square is equal to 144 plus 250 is 400 divided by 9. Then x is equal to square root of 400 divided by 9. Then x is equal to square root of 400 is 20 and square root of 9 is 3. Therefore x is equal to 20 divided by